Hello dears, welcome to our channel. It's me Anne. Restoration and 18th century English drama spanning from 1660 to 1800. After the turbulence of the Puritan era, which closed down the theatres, the restoration of Charles II revived the stage. This new period gave English drama an entirely different spirit, witty, satirical, and socially aware. For the first time, women stepped onto the professional stage, audience became more diverse, and playwrights began to explore themes of manners, love, politics, and morality. When the monarchy was restored in 1660, England experienced a cultural reawakening. The Puritans' ban on theatre was lifted, and London's playhouses quickly came alive again. One of the most revolutionary changes was the inclusion of women actors, a sharp break from centuries of male-only cast. The plays of this age reflected society's concerns, no longer strictly religious or moral. They became social commentaries, witty satires, and exploration of love, intrigue, and human vanity. Drama in this period took on three dominant forms. First, the comedy of manners, which exposed the follies of the fashionable elite through razor-sharp dialogue and sparkling wit. Playwrights like Congreve excelled here. Second, the heroic tragedy, largely developed by Dryden, which featured noble characters, heightened emotion, and themes of honor, patriotism, and moral duty. Finally, in the later part of the 18th century, came the sentimental comedy, where laughter was tempered with moral instruction, designed to appeal to the audience's emotion and sense of virtue. John Dryden, the poet laureate of his age, shaped the form of heroic tragedy, especially in his celebrated play All for Love, a retelling of Antony and Cleopatra's story. His works reveal grandeur, rhetorical flourish, and a deep concern with human duty. William Congreve, he is the master of the comedy of manners. His The Way of the World is a textbook example for wit and elegance, blending satire with a commentary on love, marriage, and social ambition. Moving forward, the 18th century brought us Richard Sheridan and Aphra Behn. Sheridan, best known for The School for Scandal, crafted plays filled with biting satire, mocking hypocrisy and vanity in high society. His works mark the height of 18th century social comedy. Aphra Behn, the first professional female playwright. Her play The Rover combines romance, comedy, and a bold exploration of gender and social norms. The drama of this age can be recognized by its style and features. Many plays reflect French neoclassical influences, including adherence to decorum and unity of action, while Seneca's ideas inform the moral and tragic elements. Drama of this period focused on manners, morality, and social critique, using humor and satire to illuminate the follies of human behavior. In conclusion, Restoration and 18th century drama represents a turning point in English theatre. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.